beast. It's one of the biggest single models I've made. Wow. Now would you look at that? Alright, let's get the supports off and shine it up. So the model only needed supports around base. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, maybe. They're a little bit snug. Wow, that is beautiful. So there it is in all of its glory. The red marker from the Dead Space universe. I think it's pretty cool how the light does reflect off it. So even though it's not giving off any energy, it looks like it is, because you've got that light that just goes off and follows it up. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't plug the turntable in. Uh-oh.